Hey everyone, this is my aviary cage tour. It's got canaries, budgies and two Chinese painted quails. This is the indoor part. I've just cleaned them out. So it's got nothing in here. My dad built it himself. This is one end with a window. It's got 4 doors so you can access different areas. There's the door to the outside. It's a bit messy. It is clean, I've just wiped it all, and it opens as big as that, or it opens as big as that, or that little bit opens depending on the weather. And there's another door up here which is exactly the same, cleaner, but it doesn't get used. There's a toy, a perch, another rope toy there. There's a mirror there. As you can see, it's in the garage, so it's got plenty of shelter in the winter. Another toy there and a perch there. Through there is a little heater that comes on in the winter. It's on controls, so it comes on when it gets below -, in the winter. And that's the inside. I'll just show you what it looks like with all the sand and perches in. Okay, so now I've just put everything back in again with fresh sand and newspaper. Just a couple of layers. Their water and their perches. They're all different widths. Their feet. We've all got locks. Our perch there. I'll open the door in a minute. Their seed is in a litter tray, so they don't get it everywhere. There are the 2 perches, water. That's it really. Just lock things up. Leave this one open for a minute because I'm now going to let them in. Oh, stretch. That wide. They'll soon start coming in and being nosy. It's one canary. It's Ellie. She was my nan's bird. Pick up sand. She is really friendly. And if you're outside, she follows you because she always wants seed. She's really cheeky. The sand's fine for them to eat. It helps them digest seed. They don't usually eat it anyway, so. She made little prints there. Wonder why the others ain't coming in. Oh, there's another canary. Oh, and there's Charlie. He is. Oh, and there's Sunny. They are dads to 5 chicks each. Yep, 5 bloody chicks. Sunny and that's Charlie. I'll show you the chicks when I check them later. Charlie! I did have him indoors. He was a friend for my Millie, but she died as she got egg bound. Really upset me, but no one's in the food dish yet. Yeah. Excuse the bars, I can't really open it because they'll fly out. So yeah, that's the cage inside, and I'll do the outside aviary. It needs a good clean. What are they doing? They're also picking at the sand. Beautiful boys. Okay, so that's inside, and now I'll show you outside. This is the outside of the aviary. It's a rabbit tunnel. Oh, sorry about that. This is where the quails go, a little bed area. That's nest box 1. Charlie and Bill. It's got 5 chicks in it. There's a nest box up, nest pan up there. It's got 2 eggs in it. And there's more nest pans there. Nice toy. This is their food. And their grit. And water and their bath. This nest box 2 with Sunny and Bill. Another 5 chicks in there. A swing toy. More nest pans. Canaries and Budgies up there. And there's 2 quails. That's their eggs that they don't sit on. Dark one is male and the grey one is female. Some twigs for them to sit on. I've got to add 2 more, which I forgot to put. In. That's the other end where it just came from. These sticks go here, in this space here. I forgot. So yeah, that's the aviary. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe. And let me know what else you want to see. Bye for now.